Yo, yo, yo. What's good? What's good, boys and girls? Welcome back to another trade recap. As always, let me make it as quick as possible so y'all can go on about you guys' day. Remember, my goal with this is just trying to make videos, to keep accountability for myself, maybe for even one, two, three of you guys. Y'all can comment on my videos. Y'all can, be interested in my progress and hopefully, maybe, who knows, y'all can get something out of my strategy, which it'll get better understandable as I make more videos. And if y'all keep up with it, that's why I try to make them as as quick as possible so y'all don't spend too much time, and I don't want to make it overcomplicated for you guys. Before I start though, I want to make a quick comment, and it's not about trading, it's just a show. So growing up, I didn't live here in the United States, and I was from El Salvador, and I was a very poor guy. So I never had a TV. I never had the chance to watch shows, movies, anything at all. Um, and so when I moved to the United States, I started having a better life, and I started working. I got to know Netflix, HBO, everything. So um, the reason, so basically, I just finished watching Game of Thrones. Okay, and y'all gonna say, bro, you've never watched Game of Thrones? I'm sorry, that show is so old. Thought you were gonna, yeah. I just moved, um, and I just finished watching it. And let me tell you, bro, to be honest, for me, Game of Thrones, the best show there has ever been. Better than Breaking Bad, better than the Peaky Blinders, better than Young Sheldon, and I still need some others. But, bro, the emotions I have felt, no other show has made me feel this way. I know the characters don't exist. I know people don't exist. I know that, right? I know those people don't exist. I know that has never happened. But even though I know that, for some reason, i- my brain thinks it's real. And the Daenerys, the way she died, who killed her, like the ending, boy, has made me feel so bad. Like I feel, I don't know how I feel, but I don't feel happy at all. I feel sad for her. That's it. So let's get back to the trading recap. So today, um, it was a quick and simple trade. Let me tell you. So as y'all can see, this is market open, 9:30. Boom. At the time of market open, what happened? We were above previous days near VWAP and start of day VWAP, right? What does that mean? For me, that means buyers are in control. Look at that 15-minute time frame. We had just broken above previous day's high. Okay, boom. So we made a new high, and overall, like y'all can see this, making new higher highs like that. Boom. Um, so overall, structure bullish. BWAPs, what are BWAPs telling me? Bullish. Buyers are in control. We are above BWAPs. If we are above BWAPs, buyers are in control. If we are below VWAP, sellers are in control. Okay. Now I wait for 9:30 and 9:45 opening range, right? 9:30 through 9:45. So this is the low, and this is the high of the 9:30 through 9:45 opening range. Like you can see right here, opening range 9:30, 9:45. So that's the high, that's the low. I wait for it to be set, and I wait for either side to be broken. And based on that, then I take a trade based on the 50-minute time frame and what the BWAPs are saying. So um, for me, it was more longs. So what am I looking at? 2 or 4 trades: double break long or break and retest long. In this case, what did we get? Guess before I start explaining it. Double break long, exactly. So price comes down, breaks opening range low right here, boom, comes back down, touches start of day VWAP. Right at this point, I'm not doing anything. I don't want to look for shorts because we literally just broke previous day's highs. We are above all VWAPs, still above this VWAP, and we are below this one. We are below this one. But in my case, because I'm looking for longs, all I'm expecting, I'm not expecting a break and retest, a break of the opening range low, a retest of this, and then take a short. I'm not looking for that. And if it happens, I'm gonna stay out of it, right? But we broke opening range low. We could retest this one. A double break long could look good. You know, will it happen? I don't know yet. As let's say, right? That's what I'm thinking in real time. How will I know it happen? Well, we simple. We will close above near BWAP. That's it. Now, double break long. The setup itself is formed. It's just not a pattern trade because we break opening range low. We closes buyers take us and closes above BWAP. I take my long position. I stop loss at the low that took opening range low. Stop loss and target at a previous structure, which is opening range high. That's simple as that. That's my trade. So as you can see, I enter my long position as soon as that closes. So literally right at previous day's highest line. So right there. Stop loss here. Sorry, stop loss here. And I target this. Now you're gonna ask me, Jordy, why did you get out? So right here. So I got out right here, like somewhere around here. So that's my real trade, like right there. A little bit above, like right there. I think I got out. So okay, basically, that's my trade. We made this quick impulse higher. I thought we were gonna go for opening range high. We didn't. I closed manually. Why is that? Look at NQ. Let me look at NQ. Look at the time. Look at where NQ was. Yes, we were making new higher highs. Yes, this was a good confirmation. Yes, I know that. But I didn't trust NQ at all. The way it came back, it was not the same as MES. And because I thought NQ was gonna play the break and retest short, like the break of opening range low, the retest of near VWAP, which in this case it did. I just decided to close manually, right? Boom, right there. And I said, I'm gonna take these profits, and if another trade comes, then I'll take another long. But I prefer to secure these profits and maybe even play with these profits for a second trade. I got out, and as you can see, price continue going lower. So that's it. There's nothing else I can explain. I don't want to make things overcomplicated. I know you guys think that overcomplicated things are gonna make you pass your EVA faster, are gonna give you higher RR, higher win rate, are gonna give you more payouts. Trust me, I've traded ICT, I've traded order flow with bookmap, with gamma levels, with GEX exposure. Trust me, they're very hard to trade. It's way too complex. And there's a lot of factors that you have to include to take a trade. Am I saying they don't work? No, bro. There's a lot of really good ICT traders that are taking payouts, right? Tanja Trades is one of her, for example. She's a woman. She streams on YouTube, right? She's a good trader. She shows proof. That's the only one I can talk for because she shows proof. There's a lot of order flow traders, and I think the trade Gex, Gamma, uh, and all of that stuff. And they show proof, so they are profitable. Um, but for me personally, I have never been more consistent with this simple stuff, just structure and VWAPs. Like right now, the market was bullish, right? All you are waiting is you are expecting a new higher high, you are expecting a retracement for a lower high, and then you enter that long position, and then you take a long where the market is most likely to retrace. For me, it's VWAPs. It's just as simple as that. I don't want to make it overcomplicated for you guys. And y'all, if anybody ever finds my YouTube and starts watching it, y'all will be seeing trades like that. And maybe y'all can even trade the way I trade, not financial advice, of course. And y'all can even become profitable or consistent or improve way better. I do know that with this trading style, you have to get used to holding for long periods of time and have to get used to negative RR. Am I saying that's a good thing? No, but I want to style. I want to try different style. This is for me. I want to try it, and I am seeing consistent profits. I am seeing really good profits, and this is what my account is looking at. So today I made 33 bucks, and my account is sitting at $200 balance now. That's it. Um, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. Thank you for watching, y'all. Take care.